Bunny wakes up bright and cool. Time to hop to Bunny school. He grabs his bag and carrot snack. Hop, 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 no turning back. Hop, 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 let's say ABC. Learning's fun for you and me. Hop to letters 1, 2, 3. Bunny loves his ABC. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat with a meow so sweet. Bunny hops fast on his little feet. Hop, 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 let's say ABC. Learning's fun for you and me. Hop to letters 1, 2, 3. Bunny loves his ABC. School bells ring, it's time to play. Letters and songs make a happy day. Bunny laughs with friends so dear. Learning ABCs all year. Hop, 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 it's time to go. Goodbye, Bunny, see you tomorrow. ABC and 1, 2, 3. Learning's fun as it can be.
Great job learning with GrowSmart.123. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep growing smart.